Right Honorable Armstrong abwomereye uryenganzi y'ubukama bwa Tooro kandi wabajekira umukama wa Tooro mu kuyonje tawunezi nagira ngo n'ikintu kibi okushanga eby'obuhangwa bisesikire kandi nibanaga kasasira hibabona.
When I was growing up, you wake up in the morning and you have dew, you have mist in the morning. Now it's rare, it's just in a few places. And that tells you something. We are going in the wrong direction.
Rita Sinabasa umunyeto ku rugo mu rurembo rwa Fort Patrol we yahiga iminyeto okwejumbira mu kurinda eby'obuyonjo hamwe na n'eby'obuhangwa.
Twehanangiriza eminyeto mwena kwetaba umutekateka za government ezo kurinda obuhangwa na mizi kwetangira embeera y'empinda yunduka y'obwire eriyo netuteganisa munonga. Eshaheji nito tukusingwa kukwatwaho nk'enyeto ya Uganda.
Dr. Guma Brian or team leader wa Alberta in Water Management Zone habwa Ministry ya Mizi hamwe na n'eby'obuhangwa we yajumira bobona abaruko nago borofa aho babona na munonga ebintu ebirikuba bikozesibwa mu marwaro.
Cyamani twashangamo ebintu bakoso mu marwariro bakubiteka omumizi kandi eco ni kibi munonga kandi ati nco kurebira abantu birebi batandika kurwara bakabaza antibiotic bakukira.
We all have a role to play. Besides what the leadership can offer as a city, as a government, we all have a role to play in keeping our places very clean and keeping the hygiene up, because at the end of the day, when diseases come in, when the effects of climate change come in, they meet you as an individual.
Amashomero ebitongore by'ibyo kwerinda na nabebembezi nibo bayejumbira mu hurezi amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.